In Kansas. This is Jeff with Paint Overspray Removal. They was painting this here slide with a gel coat, kind of like something you would use on a boat. The inside of it's very slick. Got overspray on the business next door here. This is Tractor Company. Massey Ferguson tractors. Alright, next one is this is more of a traditional tractor that you'd see. It's a 2605H Massey Ferguson Overspray. Alright, the type of overspray that is on here is a gel coat. It's not like paint. Paint mills down layer by layer. This will not mill down because it's gel coat. I'm going to shade it. This right here will remove 80% of it, and then the clay bar will take the rest off. I would say do not try this. Been doing this a long time, over 25 years. You'll damage your vehicle if you take a razor blade to it, without a doubt. Here's your product. Some of it. This is 1 squirt of Ivy dishwashing liquid and water. Here's a clay bar. Now clean through the remaining of the wax that's on there with the soap and water. It gives it a little extra cut. Notice you don't hear any noise. It's because I'm not scuffing it. If you hear noise when you're cleaning a vehicle, you're scuffing it. What you're hearing is the friction. I tell you, these tractors got some really decent paint. Really good. That looks really good. Look at that finish now. That's really good finish. What's that? It's a tractor, but it's got a good paint. That's really good paint. Alright, now we're going to see what we can do. Kind of polish this bar up, you know. Here's your finished product. Shined it up really nice. I have polished all that. All the inside's been polished. The exterior, of course. The hoods, perfection. Headlights polished. All this has been polished. You know, anything that's painted, I'm gonna polish it. All that's been repaired, cleaned. I took and polished this little box back here. It looks really nice. Paint. Polished the roll bar. And no one's gonna do that. It's not necessary. It just looks so much better. I had to do it. And look at that. This is a show tractor. It takes a little bit of time and effort, but it looks just so much better. You can see my reflection in there. That's what you can do when you use machinery. If you're just claying, most companies, what they do is they'll wax it, clay it, wipe it off, or just not wax it, clay it, and wax it. Either way, they do the bare minimum. This is paint overspray removal completion. All right, this is your finished product. This is a big one. It's a 4707 number 9. Flashers are on. Okay, everything's been, overspray's been removed, paint's been polished. I'll get up there and give you a better look in a minute. Look at that finish. This is a tractor. Still made it look sweet. Look at that finish. Completely polished. Every inch. Not only that, but I polished the rack. Of course. You can see my image in that sucker. Polished the black box here. Here's the top, the hood, whatever. Look at that finish. That's back to factory specs. Look at that. Like I said, these things have really decent paint. Especially for a tractor. Paint overspray removal. Texas, a division of National Overspray Removal.